Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chevy Colorado key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, including any existing ones you want to keep working. Make sure every door on your vehicle is completely closed. This preparation ensures a smooth programming experience, allowing you to add up to 4 remotes efficiently. To begin, insert your ignition key into the ignition cylinder. Next, locate the unlock switch on the driver's side door panel and press and hold it down. While still holding the unlock switch, quickly turn your ignition key from the on position to OFF, then on, then OFF again. This sequence initiates the programming mode. Now, release the door unlock switch. You should hear the doors lock and unlock, confirming that your vehicle is in programming mode. Take your key fob and simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons. Keep holding them for approximately 15 seconds until the doors lock and unlock once more, signaling successful programming. If you have more key fobs to program, repeat the previous step for each one. Once all fobs are programmed, turn the ignition key to the RUN position to exit the programming mode. Finally, test each key fob to ensure all functions, like lock and unlock, work correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.